As we celebrate International Women's Day 2020, we want to encourage women to bring their whole selves to work. Some may ask, what does that mean and how do I do that? It's about being authentic, which means being willing to be vulnerable. This does not mean that you have to disclose all of your private life or deepest secrets. We spend so much time in our work environment that making social, meaningful connections will undoubtedly enhance your work-life experiences. Don't let fear hold you back. Take risks, connect with your co-workers, speak up about how you feel, ask for help, say when you don't know, acknowledge if you've made a mistake, be genuine. This creates trust, builds connections, and enables personal and professional growth. Bringing your whole self to work also has a positive impact on others. Being more open can make your work life happier and help to deal with challenges in a productive and even fun way. Bringing your whole self to work also makes you more comfortable and helps you to perform better. Most important, it encourages other people to be themselves, to open up as well, and can also promote team bonding. Each of us has a unique perspective that is shaped by our individual experiences. When we are willing to share, this can lead to a more creative and fulfilling work environment. Our uniqueness is a part of the value and contribution to the workplace. Being vulnerable is being true to yourself and makes your work life so much more enjoyable and successful. Happy International Women's Day from CANTO.